Well, what do we got here? How about a 2017 Forest River Primetime Avenger? The model number is 32BIT. This is a triple slide family unit with an awesome outside kitchen, a big one at that, with 2-burner stove and a large fridge, outside shower. So one slide over on the door side, and look at this, 2 more slides up on the driver's side. Take a look at the storage compartment, nice and roomy. 2 30-pound propane tanks will be filled up. That battery will be fully charged or replaced. All right, the awning is a little dirty, of course. It's power awning. Let's go in. All right, walking into the Avenger. All right, so we got opposing slides right here in the kitchen area. Oven, 3-burner stove, microwave. That fridge works on propane and electricity. U-shaped dinette does convert into a bed. Bathroom, stand-up shower, and the main bedroom. That mattress will be replaced. Great spot here for TV. Kids, we haven't forgotten about you. Let's take a look at the bunk room. Of course, that sofa does convert into a bed. Here's one bunk. Here's another with a ladder. Great spot here for TV. All right, folks, 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick is where we're at. Hope to see you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.